Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the JBL E25BT wireless in-ear headphones. So as you can see, they come in this plastic box, they come plastic wrapped, so I'll just go ahead and open that for you. Okay. And that's the box that they come in. So it says E25BT wireless in-ear headphones. That's what they look like. They're blue. Some of the features that they have. So it says JBL Signature Sound. It has a 3-button remote with microphone. It has up to 8 hours of battery life, and you can seamlessly switch between devices. Okay, it works over here, as it said, with smartphone, tablets, computers. And what's in the box? Well, they show that you get the headphones, cables, ear tips, and various kinds of documentation. So let's just go ahead and open this. So opens from the top. Okay, I'll have to cut this off from the sides first. So on the side, on both sides, they have these stickers. Okay. Now, okay, open it up. It's got a little tab which allows you to pull them out. Okay, and now once they're out, that's what they look like. They come in this little cardboard box. Okay, they come held in this box. So at the back of the box, there's actually a little carrying case that comes, which is quite neat. And inside the carrying case, you get a little clip, okay, and you get your extra ear tips, and you also get your orange USB charging cable, okay. And there's a little carrying pouch, which is a JBL branded carrying pouch. Apart from that, at the back you get your documentation. This is your user guide. Okay, it says E25BT, which is the model number. You also get some more documentation, which I'll put to the side, and you get the headphones themselves. Now, to get these out, okay, so let's just quickly go ahead and remove that. So there you are. These are the JBL E25BT wireless in-ear headphones. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the E25BT JBL wireless in-ear headphones. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.